Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue. Today we are going to learn how to create a Vue project using the Vite. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, let's initialize with the Vite. Make sure you have to globally install the Vue CLI. Okay, let's initiate with this with yes, and the project name we will put my project name like my Vue project. Okay, so here we have the options vanilla, Vue, React, React. Let's select solid, quick, and the others. So we will go with our Vue, and we will go with the JavaScript type next. You can mention it accordingly, and we will go with the customize with create view. I will go with JavaScript. Okay, so let's go with the cd my project. Let's install the npm. Now we have to run npm run dev. Okay, let's have a look. So here you can see that the Vite plus Vue is ready. Okay, so this is how you can create a project using Vite. Okay, so any doubt, any query, that do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.